Humankind has been digging out tunnels for thousands of years. Tunnels are some of the greatest engineering feats humanity has ever undertaken. We humankind have, in fact, been digging them for millennia. What are tunnels? Tunnels are underground passages used for transportation. They could be used for carrying freights and passengers, water, sewage, etc. Tunnel is an artificially constructed underground passage created by the process of excavation to bypass obstacles safely without disturbing the overburden. And access to that passage is restricted to a portal or another tunnel regardless of type of structure or method of construction. Tunnels are defined as passage fully enclosed or enclosed with minimal openings on sides and above. Why tunnels are constructed? Not every tunnel was excavated for purely logistical reasons. In fact, tunnels were and still are widely used for mining operations and were commonly used in warfare. Tunnels prove to be cheaper than bridges or open cuts to carry public utility services like water, sewer, and gas. They are more economical and feasible than open cuts beyond a certain depth because very high and continuous and steep slopes are unstable in long run. Tunnels are best option to avoid disturbing or interfering with surface life and traffic during construction. Tunneling is desirable when rapid transport facilities are required which need to avoid acquisition of land for roads. Tunnels are also erected when shortest route connection is needed in cities. Tunnels permit easy gradient and encourage high speed on strategic routes. How tunnels are constructed? Tunnels are constructed with three basic methods. Cut and cover tunnel are constructed in a shallow trench and then covered over. Shallow tunnels are of a cut and cover type, if underwater of the immersed tube type. Bored tunnels are constructed in situ without removing the ground above. Tunnels can be bored using drilling and blasting, tunnel boring machine, or by using excavation equipment. Shield tunnels, constructed deep into the ground using tunneling shield. For intermediate levels, both methods are possible. Construction of tunnels depends on such factors as the ground conditions, the groundwater conditions, the length and diameter of the tunnel drive, the depth of the tunnel, the logistics of supporting the tunnel excavation, the final use and shape of the tunnel, and appropriate risk management. Thanks for watching and let us know what do you think.